graveyard hums a hollow tune beneath the watch of a silver moon. It chills the night, it chills the bone. The wind through the tombstones moans. It lifts the grass, it shakes the trees, it bends the flowers on their knees. It whispers names in mournful tones. The wind through the tombstones groans. Each marker leans, each carving fades, yet still the voices serenade. No hymn of hope, no gentle song, the tombstone wind just drags along. And when it calls, you'll hear your own. It carves your name in silent stone, forever lost, forever known, to the wind through the tombstones moan. You'll hear your own. It carves your name in silent stone, forever